Born Javed Iqbal Mughal, 1956, Lahore, Punjab, Pakistan. Child sex abuse conventions, murder. Javed Iqbal Mughal was a Pakistani serial killer. And pederast who confessed to the sexual abuse and murder of 100 young boys. Ranging in age from 6 to 16. Aqwal strangled the victims, dismembered the corpses, and dissolved them in acid as a way to conceal the evidence. He was found guilty and sentenced to death in the same manner that he killed the boys. Being strangled first, then cut into 100 pieces in front of the parents of the victims. One piece for each victim. Then be dissolved into acid. Interior Minister Moinuddin Haider. Stated that such a punishment would not be allowed Iqbal death by suicide. Before any sentence could be carried out.